Hello everyone, Keandra here, and welcome to week 4 discussion on risk management. Let's get started. Question 1. What methods should be used for identifying risk? First, we want to start by creating a classification of the most likely risk. These can include financial, technical, commercial, execution risk, and legal risk. Then we want to review the most common risk for any project, meaning people leaving the project, or the training for the project not being effective, and poor initial scope, meaning you have to go back and change the scope, which leaves the risk of delay. And then last, we want to review the history of these risks for not only our company, but other companies if we can get it. The more you learn about the history of these type of projects, the more likely you are to succeed by not handling the risk in the same way. Question 2. Who should be involved in identifying risk? Okay, to get a proper perspective on the risk involved, I believe it's good to involve the following people: the project team, the management, and the clients. Giving different perspectives allows you to see problems that you may not normally see on a project. Okay, question number 3. What should be considered when identifying risk? Okay, well, some things we can consider is who will be responsible for handling of the risk, what is the source of the risk, and we need to find the most probable cause of the risk. That way you can minimize chances of it happening. And we need to create a plan of how the risk can be avoided and these plans need to include, they need to be reasonable, affordable, and actually possible to pull off. Now, if you notice, I skipped the when of my answer, which is, I'm just going to read you the textbook definition. Establish a clear time frame, including milestones if necessary, that will determine when the expected mitigation is to occur. If it is possible, identify a completion fate in advance. Then identify reasonable process goals en route to the final risk reduction point. The reason I'm reading the panel, what came out of the book to you, is because I quite frankly did not understand the explanation myself. So if you have a better explanation for the when in identifying risk, please let me know.